Hello, I am Dr. Shantanu Ganguly from the Department of English, Netaji Nagar Day College. This video is on the topic Literature Depicting the Time of Crisis. Crisis may be studied at two levels, the personal as well as the universal. At the microscopic level, literature studies the pain and suffering that a person goes through when he is faced with a crisis in his life. We are reminded of that immortal quote from Thomas Hardy's novel The Mayor of Casterbridge. Quote, "Happiness was but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain." Unquote. As far back as the medieval period, we have a poem titled Dior's Lament, in which Dior laments how there have been different crises in the lives of characters, and he ends the poem with a reference to himself, in which he says that he is mournful because he has been supplanted in the hall of his lord by a rival poet named Jorinde. Shakespeare's Macbeth tells us how overambition has caused his life to fall into, quote, the seer, the yellow leaf, unquote. And Lear, in the play King Lear, laments that he is bound upon a wheel of fire and he is a person more sinned against than sinning. Dryden talks of a political crisis in the poem Absalom and Achitophel, and in the Rape of the Lock, Alexander Pope describes how Belinda is put into a crisis by an adventurous young man, and how the sylphs who guard Belinda are also faced with a crisis because of the situation. Even as I speak here, we have received the news that the eminent Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput has died because of some crisis in his life which caused depression. This doesn't mean that literature is always a story of sadness. There is also happiness in literature, but the happiness that we see in literature is an exception rather than the rule. Comedy deals with happiness, no doubt. Pastoral deals with happiness too. But the happiness that is achieved by the characters at the end of a comedy is obtained after going through different situations of crisis in the course of the play. Pastoral deals with happiness, but at the same time, the shepherd sitting under a tree and piping mourns the death of his friend in the genre known as the pastoral elegy that we find in the poetry of such Greek poets as Theocritus, Bion, and Moschus. On the other hand, there is the macroscopic depiction of crisis in literature. At the macroscopic level, at the universal level, we find such crises as war. The war poets depicted the drawbacks of war in a big way, poets like Sassoon and Wilfred Owen. As far as contemporary times are concerned, we can relate more to a great crisis that we are faced with at present, which is the crisis caused by the coronavirus. Teaching learning has come to a standstill. Educational institutions, they remain closed. But such a crisis is not new to literature. It has been dealt with as far back as 430 BC by the Greek historian Thucydides. It has been dealt with by Giovanni Boccaccio, and it has also been dealt with. The plague of London has been recorded in the diary of Samuel Pepys. Therefore, in literature, we find adequate examples of how civilization has responded to crisis and this has helped us to become sensitive individuals through a study of literature. Thank you.